Hello and welcome to AltheaSuite. Today, I'm going to talk to you about attributes and attribute sets. To get started, we're going to go into our products module, and then we're going to go to find item attribute right there. So as you can see, we have a list of different attributes in here. All of these can be combined into an attribute set, and then we can apply these attribute sets to our products that are in our item manager. But to get started, we first need to define each of these. So there are a couple ways that we can define them. If we do a new one up here to create a new attribute set, we first need to give this new attribute a name and then decide what kind of value type it is. So for example, let's make one called fabric color. Now in here, we need to define whether or not this fabric color can be a text. So we're going to be typing in, red, black, white colors basically, or if we want to make the value type a number, this number will be like a number value, like $10, $20, $30, that kind of thing. So I want this to become a text value so I can type in what kind of fabric color I want. These can be coming from different price books, so they might have different codes, or they could be just the color themselves. So once I get my new attribute selected there, and we give it a name and decide what kind of value type it is, we're gonna hit that create button. Now if we scroll down, we do have fabric color. We also have fabric over here as well. So depending on how you get your item attributes selected in there with their value types, then we can go up to our attribute set. Now in here, you can see I have 7 different sets. I have one for Flex Steel, one for England, one for some of my vendors that I have. So I have a Lazy Boy one, I have a Smith Brother ones. Now to create a new attribute set, we just need to hit that new button on the top left. And from here, we want to give this a name. I'm going to call this special order. And now you want to start to add all the different attributes that you want to have into the set. So one of them is actually the ones that I just created called fabric color. So if I type in fabric, you'll see all the ones that say fabric in them, and then we're going to choose fabric color. So that's going to be one of my attributes. If you want also add in the pillow fabric, but as long as we drop it down, we can have access to all of our different attributes that we've selected. From this screen, you can create a new attribute by clicking on this middle button right here. That'll open up this manager to get a full view of all your different attributes. And then you can hit the new button right there to create a new attribute here. I'm going to choose one more. I'm just going to choose this cushion one. So now I'm saying that inside this attribute set, we have special order is the name of it. Then we're going to see about typing in the fabric color, typing in the pillow fabric, and then typing in what kind of cushion it is. Now, once you're satisfied with this attribute set, you're going to go ahead and hit that create button. After that, now you can see your attribute is sitting right there. Special order was the one that we just created. So that is how to create item attributes and how to create attribute sets. Thank you.